Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to another Around the World. Today I'm with my brother's Alma Matter, which is the University of the Philippines in the Visayas, right here in Iloilo City. So fascinating, some of the improvements are the Delgado Improvement right here as the main gate of the University of the Philippines of the Visayas. And of course, it is not in General Luna anymore, but right here in the Delgado area. And of course, that are the difference of renovations right here in the UPV. So that's about it for now for our Around the World right here in the University of the Philippines in the Visayas, right here in Iloilo City, Philippines. Catch another episode of Around the World. I'm Blair, saying bye for now and see you in the next episode. And at the same time, say hi to my brother, Edbury. See you Philippines next time.